Some more news. Mass death of the inhabitants of the sea in Kamchatka at Avachinskaya Bay. The cause is investigated by the authorities of the region, in the Duma, in the investigative committee, in the Human Rights Council. From Kamchatka, our correspondent Adalina Selinovich. The old shore is strewn completely. These pictures with sea creatures washed ashore shocked. You see the change of watercolor. The situation on 3 beaches, and especially on the most popular one, Altyrsky Beach on the Pacific Ocean shore, near the town Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsk. The surfers sounded the alarm. Sore throat, eye burns. Not only color, but the taste is different. Bitterly. We started to see something happening with the water. After surfing, usually everything is fine, but now we have eye burns, veil before the eyes. In the hospital, there were diagnosed mucosal burns. Specialists took water samples. The results will be on Monday, but now they see an excess content of petroleum products and phenol. The plenipotentiary of President Trutnev extracted to take prompt measures to eliminate the pollution. All possible sources of pollution will be investigated. We will inform the society. Every day the water is being watched. Specialist is watching the behavior of sea creatures. Everything is overwhelmed by marine life. At the sea bottom there are maybe nothing. Sea urchins must be barbed. No thorns, they are shabby. It isn't normal. After the storm there were a lot of dead fish on the shore. The police started an investigation about the pollution of the water area near the peninsula. Near the shore there are a lot of traffic, of trade, fishing and military fleets. It's a crossroad of a Pacific Ocean. We analyze the scale, the reason of this event and how to eliminate it. So far, the authorities of the region suggest to refrain from travels to the popular resting place. Correspondent Vesti Kamchatka.